What's going on? What's happening? What's happening? We back one more time with another video. 392 Blurred Lines coming at you. Today, once again, we got none other than Brother Pop in the house.
What's happening? What's happening?
Back there got his book. We about to get something started here. But today, we're going to be putting some pistons together. We are going to see if we can't get these pistons assembled. And not only that, but we're going to get some more assembly done as well. Got a pretty nasty looking day, looking kind of gloomy outside, but that's all good because we're here to get something done today. All right, as you can see, we got all our goodies out here. I just had to make a run. Go get some of this driven racing oil, this break-in motor oil. We're gonna use some of that to put on the assembly of the engine, along with. How are we using this right now?
On the bearing. No, we're gonna put oil around it.
So I'm using this all.
Just to when we get to the bearing.
All right. Another item I just had to pick up, some Permatex engine assembly oil, or lube actually. But we're gonna break these boxes open, get this stuff laid out, and see if we can't make something happen today. So just stick around with us, take this journey with us, and let's see what we can make happen, Captain. All right, got our top groove, total seal piston rings. No, we got total seal. This guy, Hughes hooked us up. They gave us the best stuff for the job. So we got the top groove, second groove, and bottom groove. We thought we was gonna have to do some filing. Brother went out. I told you guys we was waiting on a filer. Went out and bought a file. Thought we was gonna have to do some filing. We don't have to do any of that. They've already been filed. Didn't know that until opening up the boxes. Well, the box was already open, so we had to have done it. So we don't have to do that. For all you sticker fans, we even got some stickers. Oh yeah, we like stickers. So, all right, what we got going on here? But they are open, as you can see. The packages have been opened. They come sealed. So if they were open, I'm going to take into consideration that he had to have filed these. But we will check. We will check one, maybe one of each.
It's been a long time. Long time.
Yes, indeed. All right. So you want to check these first?
Yeah.
All right. So we're gonna check, make sure these are what they're supposed to be first. So let's see if we can't get this block into place.
Man, it's been a long time, Bill. It's been a long time.
You see, we got the books. We read, not we making sure our stuff gonna be right. Now we're not the ones who just look at the pictures and putting that together by looking at the pictures. We're gonna have to do some reading. So y'all gonna have to bear with us on this. This video might take a little while, but we'll be sure to edit out all the stuff you guys don't want to see, but there's some of you who want to see it all. So we're going to give you what we can give you, and we're going to call it a done deal.
We want a top one. Let's do a top.
Top groove. piston.
Push it down.
What y'all know about them? Oh my goodness. Show you what we're working with. Be a shame to drop one of them. Man, I'd be sick. You know, I feel awfully queasy. Take that pin out. Slide that dude out. And I need to hold on to him. What we're doing, we're getting our gap clearance here, getting our gap clearance as to what the gap should be in between the 2 points on that rim.
The papers he gave us, I was thinking it was in there.
Oh, I got that.
Yeah, I'm thinking it was written down. If that's the bore size, it's got to be from 12 to 22. So we'll see what it is. And then we'll know if that's right. Man, I forgot that. Oh.
Woo! Yes, indeedy! Yes, indeedy! 22. 22. So I'm a half of that. One in the middle of that, that's 5, 17. 16, 17.
See where he got it.
That's another piece.
Just thought I was even gonna bring my jack. On. Wow. 17 right there, man. I said 17.
18 now. He definitely did. Do all the filing for us, which is a good thing because it was a service that was paid for.
A lot of time consuming work right there.
That's what we're gonna do. Look like we're gonna get these things laid out here.
Or you can put your rods first and then the rings. What'll be easy?
All right, the ring without that thing walking around.
Yeah. Top one
Grooves first.
Or you could do the bottom one first. Yeah, we could do the bottom one first.
All the way to the bottom. Okay. What if these are coming from the bottom? So it's the same diameter. Man, y'all see this? Brother, get the sweat messing around here. We're working with. Turn to see. Turn to the opposite. Oh, that's not really the opposite. Oh, perfect. Look at there. So that's what we're working with. Takes two of the rings on, one on top, one on the bottom, and that one in the middle. So we got to put that one in first. All right, so y'all see what we're working with. We're going to come back at you. We're going to sweat for a little while, but we'll come right back at you a little later on. Peace out. All right, we back. As you can see, we got 4 laid out, got 4 of them completed. What I showed you was putting on the bottom groove. And we're going to go through the process. The bottom groove, middle groove, and the top groove ring. It takes a little time. It took a little while to get them 4 done. So we're gonna give you the breakdown during the whole thing. Now that I got it down. So we're gonna do it start to finish on one of them. Be oh so careful. Don't want to break nothing. I don't want to bend them and twist them out of shape. We're offsetting these, like where this one goes together, we're going to put it on this side. Where the other one goes together, we'll have it on this side, have them on the opposite ends. Okay, bottom grooves on. Now we're opposite. And second groove. Side with the numbers. I don't know if you can see those numbers. They're going to be facing up. We have the other side, it has a bevel. We want that facing down. Bottom. That's what it is. God, that wide. I keep, it just seems like it doesn't seem that wide, but I guess that's why I keep squeezing. I guess it is that wide. All right.
So you can get it over the piston.
Top groove. Double down.
Hard to see.
Now on this one, the doubles down. The numbers are down too. Yeah. Numbers. There's the bevel. As long as we put the bevel down, we ain't gonna worry about the numbers. TS 4.030. Shh, he said 30 over. Okay. All right.
Put them in a block to make sure it turns. Make sure it's not the same block. Now that oil by, blow by.
Nice precision action. All right. That's 5. Getting closer, got 2 more. 2 more.
This is what y'all get for Gary, Indiana.
Man, I ain't thinking about no Gary, Indiana today. Not me, not today. This is my day for being out in the garage. That's what the day is. Sitting at work thinking about this. Wasn't the time to go by. Running this year. That's not matter. I'm walking myself. Get ahead of myself. Funny.
7 of them.
One more. We got one more of these bad boys. All right, as you can see, we got 8 bad boys put together on that end of it. And we're gonna break for our station identification. What's going on, YouTube? We're gonna stop that video right there. That particular day, we have done an awful lot in that day. There's a lot of content in that day. So I'm gonna try to break these videos down because I don't wanna make them extremely too long, and I don't wanna sit and try to edit that entire day's worth of video. We started around approximately noon on that particular day, and we worked up until close to midnight. So there was a lot that was done. Took a lot of time doing what we did. So in that, there was a lot that was done. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna shut that video down right there. We assembled the rings on the piston heads. We still have yet, we have to put the rods. We have to put the rods on the heads of the pistons as well. And that will be shown in the next video. Also in the next video, I'm going to show the assembling or the installation of the crank. We're going to put the crank in, and then that will determine for us. Now that we know, now that we know what direction the rods were to go on the piston head, I can show you that, but we had them on. You're gonna have to just wait to see. We had to go back and change some things. We didn't mess anything up. It's just trial and error, but we didn't see the simplicity in the connecting rods hooking to the pistons that then mounts to the crank. So we're gonna show you all that, but we're not gonna show it to you today, but we are going to. We're gonna give you this video, and you know, you got any comments, be sure to leave a comment. First time coming to the channel, be sure to go back, browse some of the other videos, and try to catch up a little bit as to where we're at with Operation Dart. I started more or less, you might as well say, ground up restoration. There's nothing old on the car. Everything is new. So, 65, Dodge Dart, Operation Dart. So, go back, check out some of the previous videos, and just come back with us, and we're going to continue to bring out this content. And the goal is to get this motor completed and to get it dropped down in Operation Dart and get it fired up by the closing of this year. We're looking at least fall, if not sooner. So we're going to try to get this done as soon as possible. Right now, there is a lot that has already been done to the motor. A lot has already been assembled, but you're just going to have to wait to get that content. So with all that being said, we're going to shut this thing off right here, and I'm going to come back at you with another video real soon. 392 Blurred Lines coming at you. Peace out.